Hey everyone, it's Mr. Colburn here. So we're going to go over place value charts. Go ahead and get your Go Math book. And you're going to follow along on lesson 1.1 on page 6. All right, let's get going. And this video is a little bit longer, so I'll remind you to hit pause so that you can finish writing all the notes. Okay, so before we can talk about place value charts, we need to know what a digit is. So there are 10 digits. There's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These 10 digits make up every number in the world. Can you think of some 2-digit numbers? Do we think 10, maybe 20, maybe 40, maybe 72? How about 81? These are all 2-digit numbers. 1 and 0 are digits. 2 and 0 are digits. 81 is made up of a 1 and an 8. Those are both digits. We also have 3-digit numbers, like 111, maybe 231, and maybe 462. These are 3-digit numbers. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. 2 is a digit, 3 is a digit, and 1's a digit. 4 is a digit, 6 is a digit, and 2 is a digit. So these are 3-digit numbers, and these are 2-digit numbers. How old are you? Is your age a 2-digit number? Maybe it's a 1-digit number. So here's our place value chart. Our place value chart is a tool like a ruler. If you notice, there's a ones period and a thousands period, and then a place for commas. The commas separate all of the periods. Each place grows by 10 times. So you notice we have 10 cubes. So if we move them over, because they'll level up after reaching 10, and we grow by 10, if we notice, they all turn into a long, because there's 10 ones, or 10 cubes, and those equal 1 long. And when you have 10 longs, you get 1 flat. So how is the place value chart similar to the models of the cubes, the longs, and the flats? Go ahead and pause the video and write down what you think. So we're going to practice finding the value of a digit in a number. So we're going to write 894,613 in the chart. And we're going to try to find the value of the digit 9. Here we have our number, 894,613. So to write our number in the place value chart, we're going to write the 3 in the 1 in the tens, the 6 in the 100. Don't forget the comma. We write the 4 in the 1,000, the 9 in the 10,000, and last the 8 in the 100,000. Now remember, we're trying to find the value of the digit 9. So all we need to do is look at our place value chart and find 9 is 10,000. So we have 9 10,000s. So let's count by 10,000s. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, and 90,000. So the value of the digit 9 is going to be 90,000. Now let's look at two numbers. We're going to compare the values of the underlined digits. We have 3. All right, so let's write our number in our place value chart to make sure we watch 3. So the 4 is in the ones place, so we write 4. The 0 is in the tens place, so we write 0. The 3 is in the hundreds place, don't forget your comma, and then the 2 is in the 1000s place. Notice our 3 is in the hundreds place. Let's use our base 10 blocks to see what the value of that digit is. Remember, each flat represents 100. So if we have 3 flats, they will represent 3 100s or 300. All right, let's write our second number in the place value chart and make sure we're paying attention to our digit 3. So 5 goes in the ones, 3 is in the tens, 1 is in the 100, make sure you don't forget your comma, 6 is in the 1000, and then there's a 1 in the 10,000. And if you notice, 3 is in the tens place. So I want you to notice that the 3 is in the tens place in this number. Now let's use our base 10 blocks again and see if we can figure out the value. Remember, 1 long represents 10. So if we have 3 longs, that'll represent 3 tens, or 30. So the value of the digit 3 in this number is 30. So the value of the digit 3 in this number is 300. We can model this showing 3 flats. 3 flats represents 300. The value of the number 3 in this number is 10. We can model this by showing 3 longs. Each long represents 3 tens, or 30. So the value of the digit 3 in 2,304 is 300. And the value of the digit 3 in 16,135 is 30. It's important to remember that 3 hundreds is 10 times the value of 3 tens. Okay, well, for some practice, let's go ahead and complete the odd numbers in the share and show, as well as the odd number problems in the on your own sections on page 7. And always remember, anything is possible.